Ready to escape the crowds and uncover America's best-kept travel secrets? In today's video, we're diving into 10 hidden destinations that promise beauty, adventure, and tranquility. Whether you're a nature lover or a history buff, these spots are perfect for your next unforgettable trip. Most tourists stick to the same mainstream attractions, but these destinations offer something truly unique. From serene islands to stunning parks, stick around to discover travel tips and must-see highlights for each location. 1. Dry Tortugas National Park, Florida. Located 70 miles west of Key West, this remote island paradise is accessible only by boat or seaplane. It's home to Fort Jefferson, a historic fortress surrounded by turquoise waters and vibrant coral reefs. Activities: snorkel among colorful marine life in crystal-clear waters. Explore the massive brick fort and its intriguing Civil War history. Camp overnight for stargazing under one of the darkest skies in the U.S. Insider tip: pack all your essentials, there are no stores or restaurants here. And don't forget sunscreen and water. 2. Great Basin National Park, Nevada. Known as one of the least visited national parks, Great Basin offers breathtaking alpine landscapes, ancient bristlecone pines, and the fascinating Lachman Caves. Activities: take a guided tour of Lachman Caves to marvel at intricate stalactites and stalagmites. Hike to the summit of Wheeler Peak for panoramic mountain views. Pro tip: visit in September for the Stargazing Festival, an unforgettable experience with telescope viewings and expert-led talks. 3. Apostle Islands, Wisconsin. Located on Lake Superior, these 21 islands are famous for their rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and enchanting sea caves. In winter, the caves transform into sparkling ice formations. Activities: kayak through the sea caves to admire their natural beauty up close. Visit lighthouses scattered across the islands, such as Devil's Island Light. Go hiking or relax on secluded beaches. Travel tip: guided kayak tours ensure safety while exploring the caves, especially for beginners. 4. Hocking Hills, Ohio. This serene Midwest destination is filled with unique rock formations, waterfalls, and caves. It's a nature lover's dream. Activities: discover Old Man's Cave and its cascading. Try ziplining through the treetops for an adrenaline-filled adventure. Family-friendly aspect: the easy trails and picnic spots make it a great destination for all ages. 5. Palouse, Washington and Idaho. Famous for its rolling hills that resemble golden waves, the Palouse is a photographer's paradise. Activities: hike or drive through Palouse Falls State Park for incredible vistas. Take a hot air balloon ride for unmatched aerial views. Explore small-town charm in Moscow, Idaho, with its cozy cafes and art galleries. Photographer's tip: sunrise and sunset are the best times to capture the dramatic shadows and hues of the landscape. 6. Mackinac Island, Michigan. This car-free island is a step back in time, with Victorian architecture and charming streets. Activities: tour the historic Grand Hotel and its iconic long porch. Bike the 8-mile loop around the island, enjoying stunning waterfront views. Pro tip: visit during lilac season in June for fragrant blooms and festive events. 7. Chiricahua National Monument, Arizona. Known as the Wonderland of Rocks, this hidden gem is filled with towering rock spires and unique formations. Activities: hike the Heart of Rocks Loop to see iconic balanced rocks and scenic vistas. Spot rare bird species like the elegant trogon. Enjoy solitude in one of Arizona's least crowded attractions. Insider info: stay overnight at the park's campsite for a peaceful sunrise hike. 8. Cumberland Island, Georgia. A serene barrier island with wild horses roaming the beaches and untouched landscapes. Activities: explore the Dungeness ruins, the remnants of a once grand mansion. Relax on unspoiled beaches and hike under Spanish moss-covered oaks. Travel tip: pack bug spray and plenty of water. Amenities are minimal, but the experience is worth it. 9. Ozark National Scenic Riverways, Missouri. A haven for paddlers and nature enthusiasts, this park is centered around the Current and Jacks Fork rivers. Activities: canoe or kayak through clear waters with scenic bluffs and forests. Visit the historic Alley Mill and learn its fascinating history. Explore hidden caves along the river. Adventure tip: try a night paddle for a magical experience under the moonlight. 10. Solvang, California. A charming Danish village in the heart of California with unique architecture and cultural flair. Activities: enjoy Danish pastries and cuisine at local bakeries. Visit the Elva J. Museum of History and Art to learn about Danish-American culture. Festive suggestion: visit during Julafest in December for holiday lights and traditional celebrations.